that is unit 3 about exponential and logarithm function. About exponential and logarithm function. There are two functions. The first one is exponential function. Second one is that is logarithm function. That is an exponential function. That is the first function, an exponential function. An exponential function is that is a mathematical function where the input or the variable or that is the independent variable is that is exponent and that is written as or that is defined f of x is equals to a to the power of x, where a is that is the constant base. For example, f of x is equals to that is to the power of x. This is an exponential function, and that is f of x is equals to 3 to the power of x. This is also what is an exponential function. This is also that is an exponential function, and that is f of x is equals to that is 5 to the power of x. These are what that is exponential functions. Here is that is 2 is that is the base of the function, base of the exponential function. Here is that is 3 is that is base of the exponential function. And this function that is 5 is that is base of what? Base of that is the exponential function. X is what? That is the exponent of the function, or that is the variable, independent variable of the function, and that is the input of the function. Okay, an exponential, in other words, an exponential function is that is a unique real function which maps 0 to 1. 0 to 1 means the first component or that value of x is that is 0. The second component is that is 1. So that is a unique real function which maps 0 to 1. That is the function array. The function that is exponential function. Exponential function that is mathematical function where the inputs or that is the independent variable is that is an exponent, and that is written as f of x is equals to a to the power of x. As the n base x that is exponent to a highly normality, where a is that is the constant that is base normality. Okay. An exponential function is a unique, a special real function which maps 0 to 1. Custom the low function 0 to 1 maps the function value that is exponential function. Exponential function that means called function from the element map is نعمل polynomial function 0 value كالي function متسيفر ليو that is observable بكونستانت أكلهم function أكلهم exponential function نعمل the exponential function ينادنا أكل x 0 تطلعنا that to the power of 0 1 is متى 3 the power of 0 1 is متى 5 the power of 0 1 is متى أكلهم function that is 0 maps to what? To 1 is from the normality. ስለዚህ 0 ኢንፑት እንተይና አውትፑት ና ኩል ጊዜ እንታይዘና ዘሎ 1 ይበና ነው ማለት ነው። አውዚ ታይክ እንገበርና ከይልና that is f of x እንታይክ መጸና ያፈልዩ that is 1 over 2 the power of what? The power of x would as you would time that is exponential function. Then ታይ ባሉ that is greater than 1 is ነው። አውዚ ጋር ታይዘለው that is between 1 and 0 ነው ካ that is ብዙ መልካዚ 1 over 2 ዘሎ 1 over 3 ኮን ይተዲ 1 over 4 1 over 5 1 over كان خون يخلي مالتي ስለዚህ እዚህ ወንታዊ ማለቲ an exponential function ነው ማለቲ ስለዚህ ስፔሻል ዝጎሮ ወይ ካፍሊ ዝጎሮ exponential function ታዩ 0 መስመኒ ማፕስ ገብን ምስ 1 ማፕስ ስለዚህ ገብር ማለቲ ወይ ካ the first component 0 ተይናዮ output ታይገና 1 first input 0 ተይናዮ output ታይዘና 1 ይለናል ማለቲ Okay, ቅድሚ exponential function መምሃርና ተክኖስድ exponent ወይ ካ ኃይልታት እናለን መምሃሩን ተደረና ሰው ክንወስድና ማለት For a natural number, what is exponent? for a natural number n, that is the exponent, or that is n, and a real number a. The symbol a to the power of n read as that is the nth power, power. That means, for example, that is a to the power of n, that is a to the power of weka celeste highly clipped in the nth power weka the second square that is 4 that is the fourth power of a means the fourth power of 3 normality. ስለዚህ a to the power of n that is this reads the nth power of a means a is 3, that is n is 4, so this is called that is the fourth power of 3 and that is defined as a to the power of n equals to a times that is how many times? n times. This is what? That is exponent ንበለና ማለት እዩ። እዚ ታዩ a to the power of n ብዝመልክዕ ዝቀመጥ ከለኹ ንኣብነት ክንወስድ ንኽእል ኢና ኣብዚ that is exponent ክንወስድ ከለና that is 3 to the power of 4 means that is 3 times 3. How many times? That is 4 times. This is 1 2 3 4. ስለዚህ ሰለስተ ሓይለ ባዕልና ክንፅሕፍ ከለና እንታይ እዩ ዝኾን ዘሎ? ሰለስተ ክባዝሕ ከሎ ሰለስተ ክንደይ ግዜ? 5 ግዜ። ንኣብነት that is 2 to the power of 6 ተወሲድና 2 to the power of 6 means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. How many times? 6 times. That means 1 2 3 4 5 6. ስለዚህ እዚ እንታይ ይባሃል? That is to the power of 6 ንበልና። ስለዚህ እዚ እንታይ እዩ? 6 exponent ትኾነና 3 base እዩ 4 ጋር exponent 3 base that is 4 exponent. Here is 2 is base and 6 is that is exponent. So this is what that is about exponents. There are tables of exponent. What are they? Okay, the first one is that is there are rules of exponent. The first one is that is product rule. Product rule means that is a to the power of m times a to the power of m is equals to a to the power of m plus n. That means this is what add the exponents if bases are the same. Base معرض وينهم exponent هنجبرنا أو the base a لنا a معرض سلزقنا that is select one of the then add the exponents. Add the exponents if bases are the same. And the second one is that is quotient rule. That is a the power of m divided by a the power of m, or this is that is a the power of m over a the power of n means that is equals to that is a the power of m minus that is n. This means that is subtract the exponents if bases are the same. And the third one is that is the third one is that is power of product. That is power of product. That is a times b. The power of n means that is a the power of n times a the power of that is b the power of n. This is what that is power of product. That is power of product. And the third one and the fourth one is that is power of quotient means power of quotient means that is a over b the power of n means that is a the power of n over that is b the power of n. And the fifth one is that is power of a power means that is a the power of m the power of n minus that is a the power of a the power of that is m times n multiply the exponents okay sixth one that is number 6 or the 6 rule that is rule of what rule of that is zero exponents exponent means any number to the power of 0 is equals to 1 and the seventh one is that is the rule number 7 is that is negative rule negative exponent a the power of minus m is equals to that is 1 over a the power of m زين فيديو شوعات حقتها تبعنا شوعات rules of exponent تبعنا the first one is that is product rule that is a the power of n product rule the first one is that is product rule a the power of n times a the power of n minus a the power of m plus n add the exponents if bases are what bases are the same. The second one is that is quotient rule means a the power of n divided by a the power of n means that is a the power of m over a the power of n means that is a the power of m minus n. Subtract the exponents if bases are the same. And the third one is power of product. Power of product means a times b the power of n minus is equals to a the power of n times b the power of n. The fourth one is that is power of quotient a over b the power of n as the power product as you got that is quotient a over b the power of n is equals to a the power of n over b the power of n. The fifth one is that is power of a power a the power of n times a the power of m the power of n a the power of m the power of n minus a the power of m times n multiply the exponents and that is 0 exponent a the power of 0 a number the power of 0 that is 1 the last one is that is negative exponent minus a the power of minus m minus 1 over a the power of n زيوم تايون حقتات ماي exponent يو exponent هنا رابح كلنا تايكون ولا كل ما قلت لنا ويكا باور كنا بعد حكينا ويتفعل لي بيز كل اليوم تفعل لي بيز تقولوا أما بزح عند exponent لنا لو توم exponent m plus n نادمر لنا أما كفال كاب m كفتر على exponent ونسكلنا يتحت على exponent or that is the exponent of numerator minus the exponent of denominator نقبلنا or that is simply subtract the exponents if bases are the same. And that is product power of product means here is different bases a and b different bases. The power of n means a the power of n times b the power of n هنا المالتين. هذه equation تقول بتمسساني that is تفعل bases اللون the power of n اللون نخلتيهم that is the power of n هنا نالون. power of power كنا نخلا power كمس كنا نخلا أنت يعني power كلتيهم نباز حملنا مالتين. And that is تايلنا 0 exponent توينا n number the power of 1 يكون قلت لي the power of 0 توين تايلنا that is 1 is لنا that is زي بحاجة أو نتاكل سنخينا that is زي مالت that is a the power of 0 minus that is a the power of m minus m a the power of m minus m that means كاين مثلا خينا كاوزي كنا سنخينا that is a the power of m minus n لنا سلزرول تطرنا خديم تماسسات خوينم كاتلهم نخينا نعم مقارك نوصلهم نخينا that is a the power of m over a the power of m مخنياتهم فايلنا a the power of m over a the power of m تخوينسي m minus n يكون سلزي minus m تخوينم أو زي كلتين تايكون له m سلزي تايكون a to the power of m is cancelled by a to the power of m. That is type that is 1 even alone. Negative exponent means a to the power of minus m as equals to 1 over a to the power of m. Okay, كابي نيجيوم أبنتها تكون نزخلو example كسر معها. Example 1 that is number 1 3 the power of 3 times 3 the power of 2 number 2 that is 2 the power of 7 over 2 the power of 4 number 3 a the power of 5 over a the power of 0 that is solution that is solution number 1 times another law that is 3 the power of 3 times that is 3 the power of 2. Using the product rule type that is a the power of m times a the power of n as equals to a the power of that is a the power of m times a the power of m as equals to a the power of m plus n. Then time to that is product rule to add the exponents if the base are the same. As you know, base that is this means that is 3 the power of that is 3 plus 2 select one of the base, then add the exponents. Simply add the exponents. The exponent I exponent that is 3 plus 2 that is 3 the power of 5 3 the power of 3 means 3 times 3 times 3 times that is 3 the power of 2 time 3 the power of 2 means 3 times 3 times 3. So let's see 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times a lot that is 3 the power of 5 So this is what adds the exponents in number 2 that is 2 the power of 7 over 2 the power of 4 as equals to that is that is a the power of m over a the power of n as equals to that is a the power of m minus n that is from the exponent of numerator minus the exponent of denominator minus that is the same base then that is take one of the base which is 2 the power of 7 exponent of the numerator minus the exponent of denominator كفتي نايقوزاري exponent exponent that is 4 يكون له زي مالتها to the power of 7 نسكن بعدها that is 3 يكون له to the power of 3 minus the type that is 8 to the power of 3 minus that is 8 مثلا. Okay, the third one will become necessary. نسمع علينا نوصل حاجة بيز نوصل النود then subtract the exponent. Okay, number 4 that is number 4 3 over 4 the power of minus 3 minus exponent to negative that is a the power of negative m minus that is 1 over a the power of a minus zoom بتماساسالي this means equals to that is 1 over that is 3 over 4 the power of negative number that is positive number زي مالتها دقنا تهينا that is a over b the power of n minus that is a the power of n over a the power of n. So that is 1 over 3 the power of 3 over that is 4 the power of 3 Okay, that is 1 over 3 the power of 3 minus that is 27 equal number. That is أربعة that is 16 بازح كل أربعة that is 64 يقولنا that is 64 يقولنا زي مالت هاي مالتي حدد لك زي مالت هاي مالتي that is equals to 1 divided by 27 over 64 minus that is 1 times 64 over what? Over 27 minus whole. That is 64 over that is 27. So this is the 4 the power of 3 over 3 the power of 3. Malet 1 4 over 3 the power of 3. تكوين هذا مالتي تقريبا هذا 4 over 3 the power of 3 هنا نجيت تكوين هذا نقبل. That is 4 over 3 the power of 3 or that يخلف على تنصر قرينا لكن القرينا that is لكن القرينا that is 1 over that is 3 over 4 the power of 3 مسكولنا ذكر كل كنا تايتخون دلو that is 4 over 3 the power of 3 قلنا ده مالته okay ስለዚህ ታይፕን እንخينا دي that is a over b is the power of minus n minus the power of minus n minus as equals to that is b over a the power of n كذا طلعنا that is a over b the power of n minus that is b over a the power of n قلنا ده okay type number that is number 5 solution number 5 22 over 55 the power of 0 minus using or that is a the power of 0 is equals to 1 comes on there 5 normality that is as equals to 1 is under n number the power of 1 n number the power of 0 that is 1 ስለዚህ መጥቶ normality እሺ አጥናም ዘሎ ራስ ስታይል እንደሎ x the power of minus 3 times x the power of 4 number 7 that is a the power of 2 the power of minus 3 times a the power of 3 the power of 4 over that is a the power of 10 okay that is number 1 find x find value of x plus 2 plus 3 the power of x plus 1 is equals to that is 39 and number 2 that is find the value of x that is 4 that is 4x minus 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to the power of x. Solution number 6 entitled another law that is x to the power of minus 3 times x to the power of that is 4 as equals to that is using that is a to the power of m times a to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m plus n that is x to the power of minus 3 plus 4 minus that is x to the power of minus 3 plus 4 minus that is 1 normality or that is simply x one another. And number 7 tied another law that is number 7 particularly that is a to the power of 2 to the power of minus 3 times a to the power of 3 the power of that is 4 over that is a to the power of 10 minus that another power of a power means a to the power of m the power of n means that is a to the power of m that is multiply the exponents ስለዚህ ታይክን ብናውጂ that is 0.4 ሚና that is a to the power of 2 times minus 3 minus 6 times a to the power of 3 times 4 that is 12 over a to the power of what that is 10 ሆነና እዚህ ማለት times ሆን ዘሎ that is a to the power of minus 6 plus 12 over a to the power of 10 ሆነ ደግሞ so this is a to the power of minus 6 plus 12 means that is 6 over a to the power of 10 which is a to the power of 6 minus 10 minus is equals to that is a to the power of minus 4 equal that is 1 over a to the power of 4 equal 1 over a to the power of 4 equal okay so then 3x plus 2 plus 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to 31. That is 39. 39 minus this means what is this means 3 to the power of x times that is 3 to the power of what 3 to the power of x plus 2 add the exponents rule ተቀመጠና ማለት ነው that is plus ስለዚህ 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2 ለናዚ ስለዚህ select one of the base which is 3 then add the exponents means x plus 2 x plus 2 ለናዚ አሁን በተመሳሳይ that is the power of 1 is ለናዚ ማለት 3 ማለት 3 to the power of 1 ይሁን then 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 1 means here is that is 3 to the power of x add the exponents x plus 1 here is x plus 1 is equals to 39 then select common factor what is 3 to the power of x as common factor ወስድሞ 3 to the power of x ከዚቶስና ተያተርፈናልና that is 1 ሆነናልና plus አጁን 3 to the power of x ምሽወርዘና that is 3 to the power of 2 ተርፈናና አዚ 3 to the power of x ምሽወርዘና that is 3 to the power of 1 ይወስደናል as equals to 39 ሆነና so this is what that is 3 to the power of x times 3 to the power of 2 means that is 9 9 plus 1 10 plus 3 that is 1 3 ሆነና or that is 30 as equals to 39 both sides divide by what that is by 1 3 divide by 1 3 then 30 is cancelled by 13 this is what that is now the criteria that is 3 to the power of x ተርፈናል that is the ዚጋ 39 ከመቀጠል ማሳሰለስ ተخلي ይሆን ደሎ as equals to 3 ሆነናል 3 means the power of 1 then that is a 3 is cancelled by 3 then x is equals to that is x is equals to 1 ሆነናል that means contain the roots ደለና that is a to the power of x is equals to a to the power of y ተቆይኑ that is x is equals to y ስለዘለና then that is 3 to the power of x is equals to 3 to the power of 1 ስለዘለና 3 is cancelled by 3 x is equals to 1 x is equals to 1 ማለት ነው okay second one is that is that is that is 4 times 4 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to the power of x okay how type نقينا that is type نقينا that is 4 times زي معناتها 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x minus 2 to the power of what that is x plus that is 1 is equals to that is 2 to the power of x okay 2 to the power of x maalatahay that is power of power ለናዮ that is power of power 4 times ታይክነባዝሕ ንኽእልና that is 4 times 2 to the power of 2x plus minus 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to the power of x ማለት እዚ ማለት 4 it is that is 4 to the power of x the power of 2 ንኽእልና that means ከቀይሮ ንኽእልና that is minus 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equals to the power of x okay comes people I'll take you that is أبيات سبحنا الله let's to the power of x is equals to that is a then that is 4 times actually to the power of x that is a the power of 2 the power of 2 minus actually to the power of x that is a plus 1 as equals to the power of x is that is a is equals to a نبغى حكينا طيب له 4a the power of 2 minus 4a plus 1 as equals to a minus that is 4a square minus 4 times a. Now we can minus 4a minus a plus 1 is equals to 0 minus that is 4a square. We can minus 5a plus 1 is equals to 0 that is تدميرهم على تحمش تزونا توازيحهم كأربعة تزونا 4 times 1 that is 4 زونا وتفات عندنا مالتي تماسسات تقطعات كيلو تدميرهم على تحمش توازيحهم كأربعة زونا وتفات إنها نصد مالتي that is time تزي that is 4a square minus 4 times a minus a that is plus 1 is equals to 0 then that is select the common factor. What is the common factor? The expression that is had expression had expression cause type that is 4 times a as common factor 4 times a was common factor that is that is a for a now is minus 1 quaternary cause you want type that is minus 1 so circuit that is a minus 1 skin let's see for a times a for a square for a times minus 1 minus 4a minus 1 times a minus 1 times minus 1 that is 1 is on the mallet then a minus 1 as common factor which is a minus 1 was the common factor a minus 1 كذا على quantity that is 4 times a تفعلنا that is a minus 1 ساعة minus 1 تفعلنا right as equals to 0 لني as equals to 0 لني product of two expression gives 0 means at least one of the expression is 0 لنا if the product of two expression is that gives 0 at least one of the expression is that is كل expression توازيحهم 0 ويك آخر تقصفات توازيحهم 0 كما تقولوا كافتم قصفات حد تاي مالتي 0 أي مالتي أي ناي 0 زيدو زي that is a minus 1 is equals to 0 that is 4a minus 1 is equals to 0 so that means a tayu a minus 1 0 0 تقولوا a tayi مالتي 1 مالتي and that is 4a is equals to 4a is equals to 1u over 4 over 4. So a is equals to 1 over 4 multiplied. Okay, I will done. That is a1 multiplied. We can a is equals to 1 over 4 multiplied. A can tell you what is a. A is equals to the power of x. To the power of x equals to a. ስለዚህ a can tell you 1 is equals to that is 1 ማለት ነው so to the power of x is equals to 1 ኮይኑ that is type of ማለት ነው to the power of x is equals to 1 means to the power of 0 ማለት to the power of 0 1 ስለዚህ to the power of 0 ይደለሁ then this means ከደነ መጀመሪያ a to the power of x is equals to that is a to the power of 1 ኮይኑ see a is equals to y is ስለዘለና that is 2 ብትት ፊናታ ሆነሎ that is x is equals to 0 ሆነሎ ወይካ a እንደ መጪናይ 1 over 4 መጪናይ 1 over 4 መጪናይ ሓደ ፊናለና that is a is equals to the power of x ina አክንዲ a equals to the power of x a to the power of x ina if 1 over 4 መጪናሎ that is 1 over 4 መጪናሎ means to the power of x is equals to 1 over 4 ተመጪናይ that is to the power of x is equals to time to the power of minus 2 malati to the power of minus 2 ታስለመጽ 1 over time that is a to the power of minus n means 1 over that is a to the power of n لنا. So to the power of minus 2 means to the power of minus 2 means 1 over to the power of 2 to the power of 2 that is 4 ስለዝመፀና then ታይክምና በተመሳሳይ حق زياده ተጠቅመና that is to the power of x equals to the power of minus 2 means that is 2 is cancelled so that is x is equals to minus 2 ይመፀና በማለት ስለዚህ x technically x that is 0 or that is x minus 2 or ማለት x minus 2 or time point that is ተስተሃለና መጀመሪያ 4 times 4x the power of 4x for the power of x minus to the power of x plus 1 is equals to the power of x then not points x type 20 that is 0 20 we got x minus 2 20 to be satisfied as the normality